This is another area where the fathers are enjoying themselves, the young men that are playing cards, something I haven't seen in a long time. How you doing? My name is Lady D. I'm from KEPX Radio, and what's your name?
My name's Clifford Delaney.
Clifford Delaney. Are you here to get pampered today?
Yes, I am.
All right. Well, great. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
All right.
I started walking away.
All right. Hey, got a lot of young men over there. All right. This is awesome. You guys tune in to KEPX Radio, where you can see this live on the air. All right, and you're a beautiful lady. What's your name?
My name is Rose.
And Rose, is this your first year with Kahalifa doing this? Or?
My sixth.
Your sixth year, so you've been here every year.
Every year.
Awesome, wonderful. Well, thank you for being a part of it.
It's a pleasure to come and support African American men.
Yes, it's wonderful.
Children this year.
Yes.
This is the first year that I've actually seen a young man. I think he's 11 years old.
Wow, that is wonderful.
It's good that the parents are
bringing their kids. That's wonderful. That's
introducing
awesome.
them to
culture.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Where's your mom? I'm all in different.
This is Lady D, and I'm here with KEPX Radio, just taking pictures and videos of all the beautiful young ladies that are here volunteering. How long have you guys been volunteering with Mr. King for this, My Brother Mike King? This your first year?
Yes, ma'am.
I love your hair.
Thank you.
Beautiful. And what do you think about it so far?
I think it's wonderful and great.
Right. How do you think it's going to impact the black men in our community?
I'm nervous.
Oh, don't be nervous. Just be yourself, girl. Just be you.
You gonna erase that part, right?
No.
No.
This is all live and in color.
I think it's wonderful that our black men can get the chance to be pampered and serviced and to show them how much we care.
Yes, wonderful. Thank you so much. And how long have you been doing this?
I've volunteered a couple of times. I'm actually a therapist intern here. So,
oh, wonderful.
So yeah, I try to help out when I can. This event is great. I think the youngest person I've seen is maybe 10 years old.
Really?
And the oldest, I don't know how old he is, but I think he's fantastic because everybody seems to be feeling great, and I know they're going to pass on the word.
That is wonderful. And what's your name? LaQuisha Lee. And your name again?
Stephanie Carter.
Stephanie Carter. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you for taking the time to interview with me. Okay, wonderful. All right.
Play whatever.
We got a young man here.
Yeah. All right, let's go speak real quick.
A young man here at the Father's Day celebration.
Okay, now honey.
Just as he was getting ready to.
Oh, and he's sitting here playing on his game. That's all right. What's your name, young man? Aaron. All right. Are you enjoying yourself today? Good. Glad to see you here. Wonderful. All right. We're going into the facial room here.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
Good. And we're going to do a facial here for this young man?
Yes,
All right.
Try to enlighten him on better ways to cleanse his face.
Okay.
And to do it on a regular basis so that he can get the benefits of it.
Wonderful. And what is your name?
My name is Sylvia.
Sylvia, and are you the owner of the company?
Yes, I am self-employed.
Okay. And what's the name of your business?
Deluxe Spa and Salon.
Okay. Wonderful.
It's a spa that my brother started.
Oh, wonderful.
And I just happen to be fortunate enough to work there.
Awesome, awesome. And what's your name, young man?
I'm Kenny.
Kenny? All right. Are you excited about getting your face done?
Yeah.
Has this your first time? Yeah. All right. Well, enjoy. Enjoy. I know it's going to be nice.
I'm going to take good care of it.
Okay. Thank you.
Everybody has plenty of stuff to drink. Everybody's okay.
Basically,
What would you like? Orange
put these
juice?
2 cars over, and
Is that
like
your
a, so this is like a 3 or 4.
Hey, you.
How you doing, baby?
Thank you. And there's the founder rushing in, running, doing his thing, Mr. Kahalifa King. He is the one that put this whole thing together, and we have to give him a great shout out. And I'll talk to you later, Kahalifa. Okay. there she is, Miss Victoria. How are you? Good to see you. And are you enjoying yourself so far?
Yes, I am.
Is this your first year doing this?
Actually, my third.
Your third year. Wonderful, wonderful. And what do you see that has changed over the years?
Well, I think that we have added a few things, and we've got more volunteers, more ladies who just want to come out and support the men in the community.
Oh, that's awesome.
And they're saying, we'll come, we'll volunteer our time. What do you need us to do?
Awesome. Now, are there any women that are actually partaking of the services?
We're going to do that on
Another day, okay. Okay.
Serve the men.
All right, that's wonderful. Thank you. All right. This is great. This is great. You're listening to KEPX Radio 10.5, where knowledge empowers people extraordinaire. We're here at the My Brother Mike King annual pampering event for the fathers and the men in our community. Looks like everyone is having a great time, and I hope you guys will come in and join us next year. We'll be back soon.